think we can play this one just right. She's right, you know. Our current log store is a right mess. It is literally just a couple of pallets with a cover over it to keep the logs dry. So, in my never-ending quest to be the perfect husband, I'm going to do it as quick and easy as possible so I can mess about in here with my feet up and drink some beer. I've had a look around and I think a sleeper and scaffold construction is the way to go. Now, stick with me. I know it doesn't sound like it's going to be pretty, but I've seen some examples and they look great. And as a bonus, I think we can use it as a seating area as well. So it's going to work by having 2 sleepers on the base, 2 on top. These will be glued and screwed together with these. Just look at them. We're using 2 sleepers because one on its own is not wide enough to cover the logs. We're going to have scaffold poles at each corner and halfway along the edge, and we're going to use these wall mounts to fasten the scaffolding to the sleepers. Right, if we want to sit around with our feet up, we need to get cracking. I'm so pleased with the difference that this project has made. It was such a mess before and it is super smart now. And most importantly, it gets a seal of approval from the lady of the house. It can be used as a seating area and Seems to be used as a climbing frame by the kids as well. If you think I've earned it, I would love a like and a subscribe, because it helps the video get pushed out to more people and it helps the channel to grow. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.